Ever wondered how to have a deeper, more honest communication with your body? Well, stick with me and I'll show you how. My name is Christine Dostie and I'm a consciousness coach and an energy healer. And I'm here today to talk to you about muscle testing. Muscle testing can be used for all sorts of benefits. It can help you uncover core belief thinking that is blocking or limiting you. It can help you identify emotions that are ready to be released. It can tell you how many vitamins or pills are beneficial for you to take today, or whether or not to choose a certain color to work with, or a crystal, or any number of things. It cannot tell you what to do with the rest of your life or the career path to take, but it can tell you and help you connect with what things you are passionate about that may be on a subconscious level. Muscle testing is a way to speak with your subconscious and get the body's reading on things. And now, how to do muscle testing. Of course, it is very important to be hydrated and to have a curious, open mind. You can overpower the muscle testing if you are trying to influence or you already want a certain outcome. For example, I no longer muscle test about whether or not eating the chocolate is good for me because I know that I enjoy chocolate a little too much, and at the same time, I'm always going to allow it to say yes because I want the chocolate. So you can muscle test in various different ways. One way is to use a pendulum. Pendulums all are something that is dangling on a string and usually points downward. You want to have your feet solidly on the ground, and then you want to ask, and is going to respond to the body, and you want to ask it, please show me your yes. And then you have to just be patient and wait to see what it does. And then if it's not going big enough, you can say, please show me a bigger yes. And wait and to see, so it is going in a clockwise circle. That is my yes. Then I will hold it steady again and I will say, please show me your no. Again, you just need to breathe and be patient. Show me a bigger no. And now it is moving forward and backwards. These are, your subconscious is binary, so you're going to get like a yes or no answer. These are the kinds of questions you want to ask, yes or no. Then I can use this now that I know what my yes or no is, and I can ask questions that are simple questions. Is my name Christine? I just wait. It's going around. Am I sure my name is Christine? And just wait, it will get bigger. There. Now I will ask something that I know is untruthful. This is giving me my benchmark. Is my name Peter? You can see it will go back and forth. Is my name Peter? Every once in a while with a pendulum, you might get an answer that it will not move at all. That indicates that something more is going on. Either you're not quite hydrated or the question isn't one that can be answered with a yes or no. Other ways to use yes or muscle testing is to use your body as the pendulum. You want to stand up tall, and normally when you do yes, you will fall forward and the no will fall backwards. I also can use my fingers. You can begin with rings. When you're doing the rings, you don't want to have it like really, really, really tight. Just hold it loosely. And when it is a yes, the rings will hold. And when it is a no, then they will break apart. And again, just practice and play with it and try not to override it, just with a curious, open, playful kind of feeling. Is my name Christine? Is my name Peter? Have it break apart. When you want to muscle test for how many vitamins, for example, to take, maybe I will say, how many omega-3s do I need today? 1, 2, 3. And the one that it breaks, then I know that I need to. Every day your body is different. The pH level is different, right? The energy level is different. The chemical balance is different. So what you need on one day may not necessarily be what you need the next day. Muscle testing can help with that. If I am looking for emotions that I want to remove, I can look on a chart that I have and be able to test yes or no for the emotions. Now, sometimes when I'm doing muscle testing around other people, it can be a little bit cumbersome to have all my fingers like this. So then I moved to this type of muscle testing where I'm testing it on the first finger. So if my answer is yes, then the finger will hold. And if my answer is no, then the finger will bend and it will not hold. So again, is my name Christine? Is my name Sally? It's not going to hold. I like to use my left hand. It's controlled by the right side of my brain. It is more of my receiver hand. It's my non-dominant hand. I tend to get more honest results with that hand. When I try to use my right hand, it's controlled by the left side of my brain, which is the logic. It often tries to step in. It's the one that is first going to bring the doubt when I first started doing this type of strategy. And so maybe that is something to consider for yourself. Which hand is the dominant or the more receptive hand? Make sure you are hydrated when you are doing this. And this is an energetic tool that you can use to raise your frequency and make better choices for yourself, because you're more connected to your body and less in your head. So as usual, drop any comments, hit that subscribe button to follow me for more videos and tips and tricks on how to keep your frequency high. And I will see you in the next one.